the people or the animal in the story. So if you talk about the character, they are the person or animals or things that gives life to the story. Sila yung mga gumaganap sa isang storya. Third element is the plot. Everybody read. Plot made up of events that happen in the story. It consists of beginning, the end, and the ending. If we talk about plot class, it is the sequence of the story or yung pagkasunod-sunod ng isang story. Kaya nga, plot consists of 3 parts which are beginning, middle, and the ending. So ano nga ba ang meron sa beginning, middle, and ending ng isang plot? So let's all know. Beginning, everybody read. Beginning is the problem faced by the main character. So if you talk about beginning, dyan nakikita yung problem na kinakaharap ng character. Sa beginning, dyan nakikita yung setting, yung iba't ibang characters, and the problem. The middle is it presents the action made by the character to solve the problem. So if you talk about middle of the story, nandyan yung exciting part, the challenge or how the character solved the problem. The last part of the plot is the ending. Everybody read. Ending, it gives the solution to the person, to the problem. It gives solution to the problem. Or the, dyan nakikita yung katapusan ng story. In ending, dyan nakikita yung solution sa problem ng character. Or gives moral lesson. Tapunan ni dyan. Anong nakuha ang lesson ni dyan? Dapat? Huwag sinungaling. Class, what are the elements of the story? First is setting, kung saan at kung kailan naganap ang story. Second is the character. Character gives life to the story. Third is the plot, which consists of 3 parts, which are beginning, middle, and ending. So, no class, to deep in your understanding, magkakaroon tayo ng pagkakagawain or group activity. I will divide this class into 4 groups. Okay, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Group 1 right here. Group 2 right here. Group 3 right here. And group 4 right there. Okay, class? Settle down. But before we start your group activity, I will read the group standard. So first is listen actively. Second, open-mindedness. And third, value each other. And lastly is engage fully. So what is the instruction? So instruction, in your group, create a story and clearly label importance of the elements such as character, setting, and plot. So yun yan ang inyong gagawin. So I will distribute the rubric for your group. Okay, class? Mayroon na bang rubric? So everybody, ano ang gagawin? You will make a short story that consists character, setting, and plot. So after that class is, you will present it to the class. I will give you 5 minutes to create a short story. Okay, start. Okay, time's up. Let's present your story. Group 1, present your story. Okay, give 5 class to group 1. Group 2. Okay, give 5 class to group 2. Okay, group 3, present your short story. Okay, very good. Give 5 class to group 3. Okay, last presenter are group 4. Okay, group 4, present your short story. Okay, very good. Give 5 class to group 4. Give yourself class a round of applause. Okay, very good. Now class, how will the character help move the story forward? How? Everybody? Anyone? Very good. That's a nice answer. Why it is important to know the setting of the story? Everyone, why? Very good. Why do you questions. Ano gagawin? Read each question carefully and circle the correct answer. I will give you 10 minutes to answer these. Okay, stop.